Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, power windows, fog lights, security system, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.